If you want to own a lawnmower that will function reliably for 20 years without constant repairs, do not assume American brands are still made in America. Ask a professional landscaper what mowers he actually uses. Ask a homeowner whose mower has never required major repair. Ask a small business owner who maintains his own equipment and understands what durability actually means. These professionals understand something that American manufacturers desperately want to hide. Most major American lawnmower brands outsourced manufacturing to China and Mexico decades ago. John Deere moved consumer mower production overseas. Toro outsourced production. MTD moved manufacturing abroad, but there is a small group of manufacturers who refuse to abandon domestic production. They still manufacture in America. They still employ American workers. They still maintain quality standards. Today, I am revealing the only 3 mower brands still made in America. Before we continue, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. We celebrate American manufacturing and quality lawn equipment every single week. If you care about purchasing a mower made in America that will last decades, subscribing ensures you never miss this content. Now, let us reveal the 3 mowers still manufactured on American soil. Brand number 1. Scag, made in USA. Scag manufactures commercial and residential lawn mowers in Thomasville, Georgia, using American production. Their zero-turn mowers and walk-behind equipment are manufactured domestically. Scag mowers cost $2,500 to $5,000. Chinese and Mexican equivalents cost $1,500 to $3,000. Yet, a Scag mower will function reliably for 15 to 20 years. Cheap imported mowers fail within 5 years. Scag uses American-made engines from Kawasaki and Kohler. They use welded steel decks resisting rust and damage. The transmission is heavy-duty. Professional landscapers specify Scag because the durability is documented across thousands of installations. A Scag mower from 2000 functions perfectly today, requiring only maintenance. Modern cheap mowers deteriorate within years. Brand number 2. Hustler, made in USA. Hustler manufactures zero-turn radius mowers in Heston, Kansas, using American production facilities. Their mowers use domestic engines and heavy-duty construction. Hustler mowers cost $3,000 to $6,000. Imported equivalents cost $1,500 to $3,500. Yet a Hustler will function reliably for 15 to 20 years with proper maintenance. Cheap, imported mowers fail within 5 years. Hustler uses American steel and American manufacturing expertise. The deck is reinforced, preventing warping. The transmission is sealed and durable. The engine mounting is vibration isolated, extending life. Professional grounds maintenance contractors choose Hustler because the equipment reliability is proven. A Hustler's zero-turn from 2000 delivers identical performance to a new model. Brand number 3. Ferris, made in USA. Ferris manufactures commercial lawnmowers in Williamsburg, Ohio, using American manufacturing. Their zero-turn mowers and specialized equipment are made domestically. Ferris mowers cost $3,500 to $7,000. Imported competitors cost $2,000 to $4,500. Yet a Ferris will function reliably for 15 to 20 years. Cheap imports fail within 5 years. Ferris uses heavy-duty commercial-grade components throughout. The suspension system is the hydraulics are sealed and durable. The deck construction is reinforced steel. Professional landscape contractors specify Ferris because the durability justifies the price. A Ferris mower from 1995 still functions perfectly today. Why John Deere outsourced. John Deere consumer mowers are manufactured in Mexico and China. The company moved production offshore to reduce costs. The classic John Deere lawn tractors from 1982-2000 are excellent because they were American. Modern John Deere consumer mowers are cheap imports using plastic components and weak engines. Professional landscapers seek vintage John Deere equipment and avoid modern production. The manufacturing reality: American-made mowers use domestic steel and engines. They are manufactured by experienced workers, maintaining quality standards. The equipment is built to survive professional use. Imported mowers use cheap materials and expedited assembly. They are manufactured for cost reduction, not durability. The price difference reflects manufacturing reality. American mowers cost more because they use superior materials. Imported mowers cost less because they use cheap materials designed to fail. The total lifetime cost favors American-made equipment significantly. The total cost analysis. An imported mower at $2,000 lasts 5 years. Replacement cost is $2,000. Over 20 years, for replacements cost $8,000. Repair costs average $300 annually. The total 20-year cost exceeds $14,000. An American-made mower at $4,000 lasts 20 years. Maintenance costs average $200 annually. The total 20-year cost is $8,000. American option costs less than 60% of the import total cost. If you need a lawn mower, purchase Skag, Hustler, or Ferris. Support American manufacturing. Purchase equipment made on American soil by American workers. Yes, the initial cost is higher. Yes, you sacrifice budget pricing, but you gain reliability, durability, and 20-year lifespan. You purchase once and own for life. Avoid imported mowers. Avoid brands outsourcing production. Buy American. Support domestic manufacturing. If you made it this far, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Let us build a community supporting domestic production and rejecting cheap imports.